We travel far and wide across the world to witness beauty, explore wonders, and experience all that life outside has to offer. Yet, even then, the heart often keeps searching for something more, something deeper, something lasting. So this time, the search turned inward, and it was with this quiet invitation within that we arrived in the stillness of the Aravalli Hills.
एक दिन जब सुबह ने अरावली की पहाड़ियों के कंधों से उतरती हुई सुनहरी रोशनी को धीरे धीरे ज्ञान सरोवर की गोद में बिखेरा, तो लगा जैसे प्रकृति ने अपने ही शांत स्वप्न को आकार दे दिया हो। हवा में एक अनकही सी मधुरता थी और हर दिशा में फैला ये परिसर मानो मौन में कोई दिव्य संकेत दे रहा हो।
In this serene and sacred space, leaders and professionals came together with one shared intention: to empower the self. More than a 3-day retreat, it was a gentle pause from the speed of life, a space to step back, reflect, and return with renewed inner strength. From the moment we arrived, there was a feeling of warmth and belonging. Every gesture of welcome carried care. Every smile carried acceptance. It felt as if we were entering an experience prepared with love. The retreat began with a beautiful inauguration in the presence of senior Raj Yogis of the Brahma Kumaris. Each morning began at Amrit Vela at 4 a.m. when the world was still, when the air itself seemed to rest in silence. We turned inward. In remembrance of the divine light, the Supreme Being, we sat in quiet connection. No outer ritual, no complexity, just the soul remembering its source.
अनुभवी राजयोग शिक्षकों की वाणी में अनुभव का गहन प्रकाश था। स्वमान संस्कार कर्म और जीवन पर हर शब्द में एक मधुर एहसास था। जीवन के हर पहलू को इतनी सहजता से छुआ गया कि सुनना केवल सुनना न रहा, देखने समझने जीने का ढंग धीरे धीरे निखरने लगा।
During breakfast, over tea, in those unplanned in-between moments, there was a quiet joy. Conversations flowed. Laughter returned lightness to the heart. And sometimes there were no words at all. Even in the dining hall, surrounded by hundreds of leaders, silence remained part of the experience. One of the most touching spaces of the retreat was God's blessing. There, we were invited to write down what the heart was carrying. A challenge, a question, a situation, then, in front of the image of God, the divine point of light, we paused, we remembered, we connected. And from the blessing box, we received a blessing. So simple, so quiet, and yet so deeply personal.
हंसी के कुछ छोटे बादल मन के आंगन छा ही गए, थोड़ी सी कसरत के बहाने थके हुए पल गा ही गए। भीतर की ताकत का चेहरा कितना उजला, कितना नया, वो बोझ नहीं, वो खुली हवा है, वो मुस्कान का एक रास्ता।
Throughout the retreat, silence met us in many forms. In the stillness of Baba's room, in the hush of the pathways, in the open sky, in the quiet companionship of nature. At the amphitheater, in the golden hour of sunset, we sat together in a circle, nearly 300 souls gathered in stillness. Music drifted softly through the air. It was more than a meditation. It was a shared field of silence, a collective homecoming. Behind all that was seen was the silent strength of Seva. For months, brothers and sisters from various parts of the country, including those staying on the campus, had been serving with dedication to bring this retreat into form. Just the quiet beauty of love expressed through action. And perhaps that is one of the deepest lessons of such a space, that service done with humility becomes its own meditation.
एक ध्यान ने सेवा का फिर विस्तार सिखाया, शांति में बैठ हमने विश्व को शांति का दान दिया। जहाँ युद्ध की आहट है, जहाँ भय का अंधियारा है, जहाँ कितने ही मनों के भीतर दर्द ने चुपचाप डेरा डाला है, वहाँ तक अपनी मौन शुभ भावना के दीप हमने धीरे से धरे, जो हृदय व्यथा से भारी थे उन तक शांति के स्पर्श उतरे। जो भीतर भरते आए थे वह बाहर बहने लगा, आत्मा का संचित शांति स्रोत विश्व तक पहुँचने लगा।
ज्ञान सरोवर अरावली की गोद में बसा, वो अनुपम स्थल जहाँ शांति सिर्फ महसूस नहीं होती, जी जाती है।